The flu vaccine is to be offered to more than half of England's population this winter to prevent the NHS being overwhelmed by another surge in coronavirus cases. 30 million free jabs will be provided, including to people aged 50 and over and children under the age of 11. Our health correspondent Clive Myrie has that story.
It's not the virus we've all been focusing on, but like COVID-19, flu can be serious. It can put a strain on the NHS and it can kill thousands. This year, it could come on top of a possible surge in coronavirus cases. Which is why this winter the government wants more than half the people in England to get this, the flu jab, or this, the nasal spray for children. The Prime Minister visiting a GP's surgery in London. Listen out for his slightly muffled view on people who don't believe in vaccination.
Because there's all these anti-vaxxers now, isn't it?
Well, Marina can tell you a little bit about how we've achieved.
Nuts, he says. He couldn't be clearer, though, on why the vaccination programme is being extended.
The reason for doing this is to protect the NHS in the winter months, because obviously we've still got COVID, we've still got the threat of a second spike of COVID, and it's vital, therefore, to keep that pressure off the NHS by everybody getting a flu jab.
Normally it's free to those who are pregnant, anyone 65 or older, or people with certain medical conditions, as well as pre- and primary school-aged children. This winter, though, it'll be extended to the over 50s, Year 7 pupils, people who've been shielding and anyone they live with. Plans for Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland have not yet been announced. Last year, 25 million people in England were eligible for the free vaccine, but around 10 million decided not to have it. GPs say it's a good idea to tackle flu head-on, but there are real questions about exactly how it's going to happen. Normally, during a flu clinic, this waiting room would be absolutely packed. Right now, because of social distancing, they're only allowed 5 patients in the entire building.
We might have to deliver vaccinations in parks, near cinemas, near shopping centres, in car parks, where it is not in a confined building, and also the capacity will be better in terms of social distancing.
There's some optimism that hand washing, social distancing and wearing masks, measures that we've brought in to fight coronavirus, could also help stop the flu from spreading. Clive Myrie, BBC News.